Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Animal Crossing. Hold on, let me get my controller. Alright, so when we last left off, I went to talk to Nook. The video actually came out a day late. Don't know if I read, yeah. How do we get started? Yeah. So I talked to Nook, and he's just all like, did you say hello to everyone? Are you positive? And they said, make sure you go say hello to everyone. I thought I did. I might have missed some people. But I just saved, and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to make the next episode so I can turn off my Wii. So, yeah, my Wii's been on all night long. Alright, so here we are. Rossetti. Hey, how you doing? Listen, let me just bend your ear for you for a minute. Let me introduce myself. My name's Rossetti. Mr. Rossetti. Yeah, so anyway, this is Animal Crossing City Folk. Thanks for picking it up. Appreciate the support. So on behalf of everyone at Nintendo, I forgot that. I'm done wasting time. Oh, hey, sorry about that. No need to panic, alright? People have been telling me for years that I got away scaring folks. Yeah, I just don't get that. I actually exactly the welcome mode, but I am a friendly guy, right? Am I right? Anyway, let me get down to business. Here's the thing, I got a little favor to ask you. So maybe Tom Nook already gave you a song and dance, but listen. This is right away a wrong way to end your time in Animal Crossing. You follow me? Simple, right? You just grab some Z's and go to bed. Or, if you want to switch it up, you can just press the save button and wham! Same deal. Either way works. Meeting me like this, what we're doing right here, it means you've ended your game right. Yeah, you keep good work, bright eyes. Oh, why? What if I want to press the reset button? You ask. What if I want to go to the Wii menu? Mr. Rossetti, ain't that my own writer's play? Yeah, kid, I hear you. I get what you're saying. But for this game, I might strongly suggest playing without resetting. We clear here? Strongly suggest. Oh, look at me now. Going. Oh, Mr. Rossetti's going on a rant again. Oh, look, sorry, okay? You maybe noticed I am, but know this, friend of mine. You ever reset, I'll be swinging by again for a little chat with you. I'm sure you're tired of hearing this by now, but it's my job, kid. Now scrap. And alright, so you just told us never to reset. Let's go ahead and talk to our Carmen. Hey, Jason. Hey, have you had any problems since you moved in? Do you want me to tell you some tips? Teach me. What I do when I'm hard up for money is pick fruit and sell it. I'm talking about instant bills. If you shake fruit trees with a fruit would totally fall out and you get and then you grab it with B. Serious money. Alright. So did we say hi to everyone? Let me check my map. Yeah, I've said hi to all. Wait, I may have just missed somebody down here, maybe. I say hi to the person down here. But well, who's this? Bob is out. I don't think we met Bob. Ah, there you are. Oh, huh? You must be Jason. Ah, yes, so we did forget someone. Welcome to YouTube. My name is Bob, and I'm always on the lookout for someone else's who into doing magic. We should get to start a club. It's all about napping, shouting down, and doing magic tricks. Alright, so that's Bob. Why did I just pick up that? Let me put that away. I can wear that. That's nice. What the frick? Remove accessory. No! There. Alright, let's go to Tom Nook. Nook's cranny. Actually, currently right now, my video is uploading. Yes. And leave him. I'll keep waiting. What? Apparently I've not said hello to everyone yet. Let's check this out. What about all the way over here, maybe? Ooh, I gotta remember that. Because I'm buying a shovel, actually, right after this. Ah, here, I think we talked. Oh my gosh, I always press the wrong thing. Alright, Avery, J, Bob, Dina. Who's Dina? Holy crap, there's a house all the way down there. Ah, hello. Oh wait, we did talk to Dina. Dina Portia. No, Wolfgang. Or, oh, we just talked to Portia. Wolfgang? Oh, maybe Wolfgang. Unless Wolfgang's that beagle, then probably already talked to him. Never talked to him, I mean. I'm planning on making the episode longer now that the introductory's gone. So. Yep, this is the person. You're new as well. Oh, already sneaking the new guy in town, Snarl. And sorry about that, I'm a little crabby on account of moving stuff. I'm usually nicer slightly. Well, enough blabbing. My name's Smoking. Good to know you, pal. Come and say hi anytime you see Snar. So it looks like this guy is just moving. So, alright. So it looks like he's our new neighbor. Jeez, already 7 minutes in? That was quick. I just go so silent. It's a nice journey. Alright. Finally. Back in next. We said hello to everyone. So you said hello to everyone, yes? Try to remember everyone's name. Alright, yes. That means we've done it. That should help you just a new time. So you're just about to start your... We're a part-timer. It says very good, strictly speaking, which is why... Oh, yes, we get to wear a uniform. Let me know when you're done changing. Don't look, I'm changing. Eh? Eh. Eh? Eh. There we go. There, we changed. Oh yes, that looks quite fitting on you. Now let's get to work. The first thing I want to do is plant these flowers and seeds and saplings around the shop, sometimes brighten up the outside. Perk up business, make sure it looks really nice. Sit there and let me know when you're done, yes? Alright, so let's just do a really crappy job. Okay, so let's plant yellow turnips here. Same on this side. Put a yellow pansy. Now, I want a tree here. I really want a tree here. Put them all according. All three. Whoa, this one's special. Then we plant the final one. The final flowers just do the most crappiest job ever. Alright, done with that finally. That's torture. You made it look nice and pretty out there, yes? I had some misgivings, but I guess you must try your decorating sense, Jason. So now I guess it's time to put you to work. Maybe you can deliver a few things. Please take this piece of furniture to Avery. Okay, first off, let's find... Okay, let's find out where Avery lives. All the way over there. Here. The thing is, when you look at the map, it looks like houses are really far, but then you realize that they're actually really close. That's what I like about this. Livery. Ta-da! You're delivering furniture, but that must mean you're a working partner by the time. Like, ski, huh? Yeah, it happens to pretty much everyone. No cats along the shadow in this town. Not many escape it. Let me guess, moving to a town left your wallet a little empty, and Nook offered a way out. I understand all too well. Looking at you, I remember when I was a fresh-faced kid starting out on my own. Hey, Jason, you know what you need? A little welcome to town gift. Here, take this beach. Ooh, a beach table. Let's put that in my house before we... Right now. Go backwards. All right. Yeah, there's always a person that gives you something and then teaches you how to use it. Oh, you asked me when my birthday is? Alright, so my birthday is actually 4/7. Your birthday is December 7th, and you're an Aries. Is that right? Apparently that's right. Got it. I'll pass that along to any interest parties. Scree haw. Well, I don't want to keep you any longer. Good luck with the rest of your work. Ski haw. See, I like being a part-timer. The only thing I hate about being a part-timer is that you cannot buy things yet. That's why I'm making this episode a little longer, because I'm going to buy a shovel. Because they have a shovel out today. Welcome back. Yes, back. And you made a delivery. Good job, Jason. That was your first job. That was fast for my first job. You get things done in the flash. Let's move on to the next job I have for you. Your next job is to direct mail. Right, and send a letter to my customer, Bob. Right. Let's just say, thank you for being loyal to Nook, Jason. Right, so I'm going to look at my TV to write this letter. Wait, who did I write that to? I'm not going to ask him. Bob. That's who it was. Alright. So I make it a little bit quiet because I'm not actually at my mic. Bob. Confirm. Thank you for being a good customer. Then we go to the town hall. That was actually pretty good. Can I enter? Oh, I thought it was closed. It was like, no! This is the town's post office. What can I help you with? Send mail. So where would you like to send your mail? YouTube. YouTube. To Bob. Confirm. Okay, I'll take it from here. Do you have any other letters? Nope. Thank you for listening. Please come again. Let's go ahead and go back to Nook. Alright, next thing, I think it's the postboard thing. Okay, a carpet. Oh, I know where Carmen lives. Ah, there you are, Carmen. Hi. Delivery.
Hey, Jason.
Delivery. What?
Jason?
What?
Do you think you could eat your lunch, because I brought your lunch back, and then help me clean up a little bit, please?
I'm in the middle of making a video.
Please?
Fine, just let me finish.
Well, your food's out here. Can you just hurry?
Okay. Jeez. It's kind of old, so you alright? So we're getting a new carpet. Jeez, I always get interrupted in making stuff. It gets annoying. So get a new carpet and stuff like that. Let's go ahead, since we're at my house, go ahead and put that stuff down. Lab. Wah wah. Alright, so I'm gonna add the table. There we go. Nope, alright. Now we have a beach table just sitting in our room. Go ahead and pull this weed out. Alright, so I think this is hopefully going to be our last job. Okay, deliver this watering can to Bob. I don't know where Bob lives. Okay. Bob, this is not Bob's house. No, that's Avery's. Bob lives down here. I think. Yes. Bob's. Yeah, this is Bob's. Here you are. Mail call. Alright. Yay, it's my super sweet watering can. So let's see splish. Now I can perk up those flowers of mine. Thanks for bringing that. Wait a second. I almost forgot. I gotta thank you for something else too. Someone that's right. Thank you for being a good customer. Everyone here loves getting letters. If you have letters to show off, let's get around. Alright, I'll send you good letters. So it turns out in this game, actually, people get letters pretty fast. Because that was a matter of like 5 minutes. Yes, there's the bulletin board. Alright, so to the bulletin board. I'm just going to put Tom Nooks. But. Bulletin. Ta-da, we're done. Done. Tom Nooks. Buy it or we'll kill you. Ah, yeah, so come back to write the message. Yes, yes, very good job. So that means you're done. We're done, guys. Alright, so our home loan should have dropped 18,400 more bells left, guys. So let's go. So the I was right, the ABD. So we need 500 bells. And then this happens. Wahoo, I'm all done with work. Now I'm free. Let's go ahead and check the butt tree. What are these? Peach. They're peaches. Get some money from these peaches. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome, please, browse all you like. Let's go ahead and sell these. I want to sell. Sell what? All my peaches. 5, 6, 9. So 9 peaches. Oh, yes, I knew there were 100 each. And buy the shovel. Nothing. I'll take it. Alright. Ah, yes, the Nook points. I already know. Let's get our visitor points. So, these Nook points are actually really good. They can be used for a lot. Visitor points. We earned 3 points. Quit. So we should have like maybe 8 points now. So let's go ahead and see if we can find that digging spot again. I forgot where it was. I feel like an idiot. So we got our shovel. Because everybody loves shovels. Ah, there you are. Oh, a gyroid. Gyroid. Drilloid. This is the drilloid. Perfect. Yeah. So I think that's going to wrap it up. I just wanted to get the shovel before the episode's over because I do not want to do anything in this without you guys watching. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you all in the next one. This is Insane Person signing out. My God.